Hey, welcome back to the channel, Ace Custom Cars. We're gonna replace the dashboard cowl on this 73 Camaro. Turns out we got a little bit of water leaking on the other side, and it got rusty and rotted out. So we got our new cowl came in. Let me show it to you. There's our new cowl right there. So we're gonna replace it. And we're going to be replacing that whole entire piece out there on the dashboard. It's part of the dash. It's called the cowl. So stay with me while I grind a bunch of welds and get it prepped for a new cowl. I'll tune you guys in a few minutes. Hey, this is a what do you call it? What do you call it channel?
This is Ace Custom
Right
Cars.
here, man. Right here, man. Walk it down. It's easier. The kid, I told you the kid at the what do you call it recognized me, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you're loose. You got it. It's right there. There's a weld on the bottom. See it? Right there.
Right here, pop a little bit.
Right here. It's not to the side or. Get a little closer. Is there a weld in here? It's up here. It's right here, Matthew.
Can I stand on this?
Where? Yeah.
If it
It's
tips,
right.
we're not
It's
liable.
right here, Matthew.
Ace Custom Cars is not
See how it's
reliable.
sucking in?
Don't flex when I'm grinding, because if not, you're gonna end up eating my belt.
That one's loose already.
Hang on.
Oh, that popped right up.
Hang on.
Okay, let me get to the other side.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm trying to flip your ass cheeks.
Hey.
I gotta.
We're recording.
I gotta keep.
Then you're gonna make me edit. You're like
Sorry,
Junior.
man.
You're like Junior.
I don't wanna make.
We're at the show and he's cursing and all. I'm like Junior.
Eddie Jr.?
No, Junior
Junior
Carrero. I'm like Junior. You're gonna make me edit.
Hang on. Hang on.
It looks like that,
Yeah,
that right
that's
side is.
Hold on, let me go.
Hang on.
He's a.
Don't put so much pressure on it, because you're tearing up my belt.
That one's safe.
And that's not.
That bottom corner's holding it.
Go down. No, it's up here. I think it's up higher. Hang on, let me get there. That side, right there, right here. Right there. Higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 1
flex
It's
over
not,
there.
no?
Don't flex. No, it's not.
Or is there another weld there? That's these. Corner ones. Right there.
What's the rest?
No, it's right here on the bottom. Beautiful.
Yeah. You good or you want to hand it to me?
My foot got stuck. Matt, you grind any spots on that thing?
A little bit.
Take primer and put just a really thin coat.
Glue. Look at all the glue.
No, I know that.
See, if you take an inductor and you run an inductor along this whole thing, you'll release it all.
Yeah. Well, when I start my new body shop, I'll
Yeah.
get the inductor. See, now I can fix all the welds in there. Clean this up. Wow. I didn't expect it to be that like crusty, you know what I'm saying? It's not. It's so solid.
Use your that little mini sandblast.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. I wish I had that. They used to make like a vacuum one where it's a brush like that,
Oh, yeah?
and you go and it would suck it in at the same time. I think I can clean that up. Even with Matthew's
Yeah,
little grinder,
I was just gonna say that too.
because it's not a big giant area,
Mhm.
not like a ton of surface. Wow. Wow. Okay. Is that side crusty, Matt?
Probably not as bad as that one.
Nah, this one's just. See, it's got a lot of glue on it right here. This is what you were looking at. Let's see this glue. That's what it turns rust. Now, see, this piece is missing right here, over there, right here. It's got a.
You come back and get back on the horse there.
Yeah, exactly. That's why they call them treadmills.
Yeah. Where does it go up to the line here?
Yeah. Oh, Matt, you okay?
Oops. Doesn't look bad though.
It doesn't reach here though.
Right here a little too. You're saying on the corner right here?
Well, you gotta clean off all that glue.
No, I know, but it doesn't reach.
Yeah, look.
Or I'm up too high. Wait a minute.
You might be up too high.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah,
Now
see?
you squeeze it. Yeah, but you gotta clean up all the glue.
No, look.
Right here.
You got a big gap here, Brandon?
Right here.
How about now? I'm gonna have to get
Oh
the.
no, that's not that bad.
Not
That's not bad.
I'm gonna have to get the windshield. How
That's
about
not
this?
that bad compared to the other side.
Well, this side's missing the metal. There's a piece of metal missing here. This has got to go in more. That's got to be like right there. See, that gets beautiful right there.
And there were spot welds along this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
So right here.
I had a dolly, all of
But
that.
you gotta remember, this is all warped because
You was fucking on it.
hammering on it.
It's a little wide. It's up here a little bit.
If you need to use that cookie, really strong.
Oh, those we killed those cookies, right, Brandon?
These?
Right,
I
Brandon?
ain't killing these.
That's a Harbor Freight. That's what you bought at Harbor
This
Freight?
cookie?
Yeah.
No, that's 3M.
Oh.
The ones that are fairly.
Shoot, we killed them suckers.
No.
I murked like 14 of them things.
No. These things?
My car alone, I think I went through like a whole pack.
Yeah.
I had to go buy him some because I felt terrible.
Yeah. Now I'll do what Matthew says.
You got it?
Yep. 1, 2. Yepper. Now I'll do what Matthew says. Clean it up.